Right now I am over here in Mont Orford National Park. This is run by the CIPAC, which is the Quebec government, and behind me is this absolutely beautiful frozen lake. In 1938, 17 municipalities came together and ceded the land to the government, and then they formed this national park. Now this is a bit of an ascent over here, as you can see. It's going all the way up, and yeah, with all the loose snow and the hard ice underneath, it's obviously a little more difficult than it actually is. And you can see all of that. Wow. Now the fact is, it's a little more slippery than I thought. So, but I have something that I didn't have. Well, these are crampons, so I'm gonna just do it. It's slip on my shoes, and I hope it should be fine. Melting ice a little bit. So this is the tungsten spikes. This is kind of, oops. These are tungsten spikes. So kind of grip on that. It's important. Wow. How look at this. Right now, it's an absolutely spectacular moment, and as you can see, that is a deer over there, and there is a deer over there. Wow, even crazy. Come on, baby, come on. Hi. You will take the banana? Beautiful scenery up there, and you know what? We go to the ice-clad mountains up there. Wow, it's a spectacular scenery, eh? We just crossed that lake, and now we're just going a little bit uphill on this mountain, and this trail is absolutely stunning. And it started to snow a little bit, and snowfall is always good. Wow. We do have a few people here and there, but it's not really too many now. Bonjour. Bonjour à vous. Oh yeah. This is Quebec, so we say bonjour. Absolutely enjoyable. And as you can see, I've come across a bridge over here, and hopefully more water than this trickle right now. It just flows into that lake over there. But this is absolutely spectacular. Have a look. This is the ice that I'm talking about. This just grips it really, really well on these ice. Okay. So you get a lot of bonjour over here.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm just waiting for the bird right now, and fortunately there's some over here.
Coming. Excited.
Isn't this absolutely crazy? This is the time that I had been waiting for. And wow, that is a view. That is absolutely a stunning view. Well, my cliff bar has become hard as a rock. But if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Peace.